Can we recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup? Hello everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. So once you open up WhatsApp, you should be finding this interface. So if you're trying to recover WhatsApp messages which was deleted 5 years ago, it is extremely challenging, especially on modern devices. So the methods we can try out is you may go ahead and check your local backup. So you may head over to your file manager, your files, and go to your internal storage. And then from internal storage, you may look for WhatsApp database. So if you have backed up WhatsApp, you should be finding WhatsApp. You may head over to databases, and here you may be able to find your backups that you've done. Apart from that, the thing is you need to have all those chat backed up in order to do it. So WhatsApp basically stores it up to 7 days of local backup files on your phone. But if your phone has not been reset in 5 years, it's your older backups might still be there. So another thing is you may try uninstalling the application, and then once try installing it again, and on your home screen while you are trying to log in, you will be finding a recover option. So you may tap on restore when prompted. And the next step you can apply is open up your WhatsApp and go to the top right, the three dot, and go to settings. After that, here you should be finding option called help. Tap on it, and from there you should be finding option called help center. Tap on it. Now from there, what you can do is you can try reaching out to WhatsApp support, but usually they don't store message history, so they likely can't help unless it's a recent issue or account problem. But you can just go ahead and try it by tapping on this contact us. So that's it for now. You may follow this method and take a chance to recover your WhatsApp messages. For now, after 5 years without any backup, data recovery is unlikely unless. So you may go ahead and try it out and let us know in the comments if that works or not. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.